The first step is to open Canva, and click Templates. When you scroll down the template options, you'll find that nothing says presentation. Oh no, so now what? You have two options. The first way is to return to Canva's home page. Click Canva Home. Click Insert your content or canvas. Type presentations. Wow, no wonder Canva didn't have a separate presentation section. When this tutorial was created, there were 13,612 templates under presentations. That's a lot to search. So here's a second way to find presentation templates. Click All Templates. Scroll down that main template page, and click the Presentations tab. From here you can choose the format of the presentation you want to use. In this example, click the mobile presentation. That's a little better. As of the creation of this tutorial, this category of presentations has 282 templates from which to choose. Scroll through the options, and click on the template you want to use. The templates will give you information about whether they are customizable and shareable. It will also show the rest of the template images available. If this is the template you want to use, click Customize this template. To use all of the images available for this template, click Apply All 10 pages. Since the template we chose is customizable, we can use the design tools on the left to edit this template. That's it, you're done.